What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove the itchiness from your wigs and remove the smelly odor. You know, sometimes when you order these wigs, they come to you smelling really stink. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. So as you can see here, I am soaking the wig in some apple cider vinegar and warm water. So you're just going to let that sit for 15 minutes. That is going to get rid of the itch that sometimes you get when you put on these wigs. And I'm just going ahead and giving it a nice wash down as if I'm washing clothes. Just to make sure it's nice and clean after I had it soaking for 15 minutes. Now, on to how to get rid of the smelly pee, ammonia, wig smelling wigs. You're going to apply a little bit of fabric softener to some warm water and wash the wig inside the softener. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just washing the wig in the softener, and I'm going to let it sit in there for another 15 minutes. Once I'm done doing that, I go ahead and I shampoo and condition the wig, and it smells so fresh, so clean, so good, and no itch, no issues. Okay, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.